Hello teacher and mates, my name is Lady Villamizar and this video has been recorded as part of my final test for the subject of English 3 at UNAT University. In this video I had to talk about my daily routine, so here we go. I made my schedule having in mind a weekday day, so let's start with it. I always wake up at 5:45 in the morning, and then I do exercise at 6. Then I have my first class of the day. I always have a class at 7 a.m. and then I have breakfast at 8 a.m. The school I work in works always at 9 a.m. and we work in that school with the kids from 9 a.m. to 12 at noon, okay? Then at 12 I always start cooking lunch so we can have lunch together at 1 p.m. and this is how I spend my mornings. And then at 2 p.m. Usually I take a nap from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. and then always again school opens at 3 p.m. Then I start working again from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. with children by person-to-person classes. And sometimes I have some virtual lessons at 5 p.m. from 5 to 8 p.m. And if I don't have those virtual lessons, which are like 2 days of the week, I use that time for studying English. Then I always cook dinner at 8 p.m. and we have dinner at 8:30 p.m. Then I normally study and do the things and prepare the things for the next day from 9 p.m. To 10:45 p.m. And then I try to go to sleep always at 11 p.m. That's like my maximal time for going to bed. And this would be my schedule for a weekday. If I would talk about the weekend, then I would say that I most of the times wake up later, and I most of the times go to bed earlier than a weekday because I like to sleep on weekend. Thank you very much for your attention.